Hello and welcome to Camera Cole, where we look at life through the lens of truth. Today we're going to talk about audio. What does audio mean and why is it important? Audio is sound, specifically when you're talking about recording or producing. What you say is very important, but how the audio sounds is also very important. What you say is important, but how you sound and how you say it is equally important. Certain voices or certain sounds offend and disrupt people's peace. Nails on a chalkboard, fork and a knife on a plate irks me. I don't like it. I want to flee. I want to get away from that sound. Same thing happens subconsciously on social media. If your audio is not high quality, or there's a ton of background noise, or it's really distracting, or I can't hear you very well, I don't want to stay around and watch your video. That's why it's important to get a mic and to make sure your audio comes through sounding smooth and sounding good. It at least needs to be decent. It doesn't have to be ridiculously $5,000 microphone, whole room padded out, no background noise, but it needs to be decent, or people are going to swipe and they're not going to want to listen to what you have to say. Think about when you're watching a movie and the action scenes are super loud and then the talking scenes are super quiet. The movie's not enjoyable. Bad audio quality is actually distracting you from the story, from the plot, from the intention of that film. Some really important things when you're talking about sound quality or microphones. The closer to the speaker that the mic is, the better audio quality it's going to be able to capture. But if you go too close, you're going to sound horrible. The sweet spot is between 8 and 12 inches away from the speaker's mouth for the best audio quality for your mics. You want to avoid using the phone camera or the camera mic, and you want to bring that microphone closer to the subject. The audio quality is going to be a lot better and you're not going to pick up as much background noise. If you film outside, use windscreens. Those will do a lot for the audio quality. The most important thing to do when filming is doing a mic check or a sound check. Record a quick video with the mic set up and then play it back to make sure it sounds good. Before I started this project, I had my mic set up but not plugged in, and I didn't realize until I did the sound check. How horrible would it have been to record my entire project and the audio comes through on the camera microphone with a bunch of room echo and not very nice. The quality of how you sound is important. Make sure you invest a little bit of time and effort and money into making sure you sound decent. My notes on audio are linked below, and thank you for taking your time to talk about audio through the lens of truth. This is Audio with Camera Cole.